Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to begin by verifying prerequisites and taking immediate action. First, update your Xbox system and the streaming app so you aren't troubleshooting old bugs. Next, switch to a wired Ethernet connection or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce latency. This matters because stability beats signal strength alone. Once done, confirm you're signed into the same Xbox account on both devices so streaming permissions and device discovery work without extra steps. Now focus on the detailed execution that fixes most midstream issues. Lower streaming quality to balanced or standard when you notice lag, and turn off HDR, which can spike bandwidth. This trades pure visuals for smoothness. Make sure UPnP is enabled on your router or forward port 3074 TCP/UDP so Xbox services can connect reliably. Also, stop downloads and background apps on both the console and any host PC, since they steal upload bandwidth and cause stutter. Finish by validating the fixes and knowing one key recovery step. Power cycle your modem, router, and Xbox to clear transient routing issues, then run the Xbox network test and aim for NAT type open, which minimizes connection blocks. Test a quick local stream to confirm stability before long sessions. If problems persist, perform a direct Ethernet test or temporarily use a mobile hotspot to isolate ISP or router faults. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals where the bottleneck lies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.